Hello everyone, I just would like to warn you about this Pool Light. It has some LEDs inside with 3 AA batteries, and what happened to me today is I tried to turn it on with my remote. It didn't work, so I assumed the battery were dead. I opened it up, and since it's the summer, it's very warm, I saw some water in it. So if I can show it, saw some water on the cover here. You can see some water droplets right here, over there. So those are in fact battery acid. So when I try to go like this, you can see it better now, and blow on it, guess what? It went into my face and it burned quite a lot. So if you do buy those light, I don't even know, the name is not even on it, but it has a US patent. And the numbers are 7413319 7717582. And just be careful, just make sure you don't get it in your face. I had to wash my face a few times, and it hurts quite a lot. So thank you.